Hey, welcome to another episode of the RV Kitchen. This one's going to be extremely simple. We wasn't even going to record this when we were just sitting around about to cook dinner and said, really, it's just grilling steak, so should we record it? And then I figured, might as well. You know, everybody grills steaks, but I'll give you my 2 cents on how I do it and the little secrets that I've learned over the years. Main thing is room temperature steaks. Do not put your steaks on the grill when they're ice cold. Set your steaks out on the counter, let them come to room temperature before you put them on the grill. The other big secret is high temperature. You see right now my grill's at 500 degrees. When you first put your steaks on the grill, you want at least 500 degrees so to give a good sear and lock in the juices on the steak. So that's the main reason I'm recording the video, was to give those 2 tips. So we picked up some Bacon Wrapped Filet Mignon, which we sell at the restaurant we work at. So we ran up there and picked up some filet mignon. And we got some macaroni salad, which is easy. It's already made, so I can't show you how to make it, but it's just macaroni noodles with some dill pickle relish and mayo is all that is. So that's my side dish. Tracy's is coleslaw. So just a store-bought coleslaw mix and a store-bought coleslaw dressing, which we'll mix whenever she's ready to eat it, because that's another thing we don't mix ahead of time, because then your coleslaw gets soggy. So with that being said, we're gonna spice up the steaks, and tonight we're gonna use Cinnabar Smoked Spice Blend from the Spice and Tea Exchange here in Rapid City. So you can see on the package their website, spiceandtea.com. So we've been going here for the past few, what 3 weeks now. We've gone 4 or 5 times because we fell in love with this place. Tracy will do a video later about the tea side of it, because there's tons of hot teas there, and I've actually found a couple that I like. But the spices, the sugars, and the salts, that's what I fell in love with. I have a sriracha salt inside. That'll be coming up in an RV Kitchen episode later. We'll find something to do with the sriracha salt. But anyway, this is going to be the spice rub that we put on the steaks. So again, like I said, simple recipe. Grilling steaks, nothing to it. Everybody's done it. I just thought I would film it to show you how I do it. These steaks are at room temperature. The grill is at 500 degrees. And we're gonna throw them on the grill. Tracy likes her steak mid-rare. Yep, she likes it to moo when she cuts into it. So we'll throw those on there. Throw a little seasoning on the other side. And we'll close that up and let it do its thing. All right, let's get these steaks turned over, see what they look like. Ooh, nice and hot grill. Oh yeah, look at there. Got my perfect little grill marks. And for you that don't know grill marks, put your steak on, a couple minutes, rotate 45 degrees, get your grill marks. Some people like them, some people don't. I do. So, I'm sorry if I'm having a hard time talking, or if you see the cut on my lip. We were out exploring today. Yeah, Tracy punched me in the mouth. I got out of line. See? That's what happens when you get out of line and your wife's in the passenger seat. She put you in your place. No, she didn't. We were at Badlands National Park, and we went to take a picture because we had just taken a picture of another family at the welcome sign at the visitor center. So they were going to take a picture of us, and Tracy handed them the camera. I had a selfie stick and camera in his hand. I had, what else did I have? Oh, nothing. Went to step up, tripped on a high-rise, a little metal step up, face planted face first into the concrete. Cell phone, selfie stick, camera went one way, glasses went the other way, face plant into the concrete. Immediate blood started coming out the lip. So it was a bad start of the day. And that was like at the beginning. I think that was the beginning of the day, right at the welcome center. So it bled for like 3 hours during our day. But anyway, Badlands video is coming up So the ones that like to watch our adventure videos, that's going to be coming up here shortly. But other than that, it was a good day. Just my lip hurts, my elbow hurts. Tracy's laughing behind the camera, thinks it's funny.
It wasn't me,
All right, we'll come back whenever the steaks are done. All right, got the steaks off the grill. I'm gonna cut into it, see what she looks like. Nice fillet. Oh, look how tender that is. Oh yeah. That's good for me. Give this one a taste. Hot. That's good. That's a good rub too. We also have, so we were sitting out here cooking, and our neighbor and good friends, Richard and April, brought us over some green chicken chili. I figured we'd go ahead and give that a taste on camera too. But if I know Richard, he's watching the episode because he likes the RV Kitchen episodes. So let's see. Oh, holy crap, that's good. Yep. You know what? As soon as I finish eating, we're going next door. We're going to get this recipe. This is going to be on the RV Kitchen. Probably the next episode. This is good. So hopefully she'll share the recipe, or he, whoever cooked it. So, like the video, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Green chili chicken coming in the next episode. Take care.